Crypto's not looking good. In today's video, we're going to take a look and find out why is everything waterfalling and should we buy the dip? So, welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Bitcoin because it's looking good. And there's a reason why Bitcoin's looking good. It's not just because it's been spring loading in this little channel for some time. It's also because someone just said that they love Bitcoin. They're a supporter of Bitcoin, and you know who this person is. Listen, the more people talk about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and spread the news that they're supporters of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, it's a green flag. It's more the reason to go up. This is who it was. So this person, Yano, said, rumor has it Tom Brady is loading up on Bitcoin. Retweet if you think the GOAT should turn on laser eyes. Let's make it happen. So this person photoshopped laser eyes, or someone did. They photoshopped laser eyes on Tom Brady. If you don't know what laser eyes are, it means you're a supporter of Bitcoin. Okay, the Winkle Swinkle Winklevoss twins, they're supporters of Bitcoin. Everyone that has the laser eyes you happen to see on Twitter, they are supporting Bitcoin. They are holding Bitcoin. So, do you think Tom Brady is holding Bitcoin? Did he laser eye? Let's take a look. Look at his portfolio. New profile pic from Tom Brady. Boom. He laser eyed. Let's go to his profile. Here we go. He is officially laser eyed. Doesn't necessarily mean he holds Bitcoin. It means he's a supporter of Bitcoin. So that is big. 1.9 million followers. Everyone knows who Tom Brady is. If they happen to check out his Twitter, they're going to see, what are these laser eyes? Oh, it's this. It's down here. Bitcoin? Oh, which Bitcoin? Let me go to Robin. Oh, that's what Bitcoin is? All right, let me buy it. Oh, I just made $500. I love Bitcoin. Let me tell my friends. And it's a trickle effect. It's a waterfall in a good way. Let's see how Bitcoin's doing here, because I see a lot of green flags on Bitcoin. And if you happen to buy this dip, I think you're going to do very well. So it's back up to 55 from the 53. This, in my personal opinion, this was a car wash. Okay? Crypto went to the car wash to see who is really hanging on, who is really a part of crypto and is going to hold on through the wash. And if you're still holding it, you held on. You like crypto enough to be a long-term trader. Everyone else was shaking off. It's like a tree shaking off all the old leaves. Get them out of here. Strong bounce on Bitcoin. Strong bounce on Ethereum as well. Let's pull up ETH because we know that ETH is the strongest in the group. Look at this bounce. Now, is this a bull trap? Is this a bear trap? Time will tell, but as of right now, we have a nice tail here. That is a massive bounce. That means so many people were waiting for Ethereum to sell off because they didn't want to buy it at these tops. They wanted to wait for a waterfall. Last time it waterfalled was over here, April 22nd. So if you were patient enough, you finally got your waterfall. If you bought 36, 37, 38, you got a nice bounce if this wasn't a bull trap. So bull trap meaning you buy here thinking it's going to go up and then it falls deeper. You got screwed. The bears are winning. So as of right now, 39.17, 39.23, it's bouncing. If this gets back over 4,000, we're back in a bullish trend. It's going to be looking good. But this is a flash flood. Okay? This is a massive flash flood. A lot of people don't understand why Ether's selling off. It's not just Ether, it's the whole crypto market. Stocks are selling off. Crypto's selling off. Everything's selling off. But I think crypto's stronger. A lot of investors, a lot of retail, hedge funds, we're all shifting to crypto because that's where the money's at. That's where the volume's at. What's going on? Do we buy the dip or do we run and hide? Right now it's showing you buy the dip. Now, out of all the coins, I do believe that Ethereum is a no-brainer. It's the strongest crypto coin of all the crypto coins, all your altcoins. Yes, altcoins might have a better run, but Ether is the safest. Ether's going to hit 10K without a doubt in my mind. Don't know how long that's going to take. It could be the end of this year. It could be 2 years. But it's going to be a strong, consistent growth. Look at this. It's holding 39s. It's doing beautifully. So because this waterfall event just happened, there's clearly no news yet reported as to why it happened. Listen, a lot of people trading crypto right now in stocks, a lot of them are new traders that don't have a lot of money. If they start to see their money go down, they're going to clip it, cut it, get out right away. They got paper and they got the softest hands in the game. I'm not saying anything's wrong with that. You don't want to lose money. That's the name of the game, to make money. But in crypto, if we know crypto is the digital currency of the future and it's going to have many utilities, you hodl. You buy it, you hodl. And that's it. That's what you do. $39.30 on Ether. Strong bounce. If you bought that dip, you're in good shape. So Bitcoin is the big one I want to talk about because as all these altcoins were running, Ether was running, Bitcoin has been staying stagnant in this 55, 56, 58 range, somewhere around there. So Bitcoin has really just been like consolidating in this zone here. This is the buying zone, 52 to 62. It's a $10,000 swing buying zone, which is pretty broad. You can make a lot of money day trading this and swing trading this, but eventually it's going to break back out of 60 and it's going to be in the 70s. I think without a doubt in my mind, this will happen eventually. Right now we have a nice dip, a good waterfall, shake out the weak, and the strong can add into it. Also, RSI almost red on Bitcoin. So that waterfall was needed to bring RSI all the way down into the cold territory, so cold that you need mittens on your hands from getting frostbite. Eventually, we're going to run up. We're going to hot potato. And when this hot potatoes, it's probably going to be in the 62 to 65 range. That will be our hot potato range. That's when you want to take down the microwave, let it cool down, blow in a little bit. All of the other coins have got wrecked. We have Dogecoin down to 46 cents. This is a great buying area. I've mentioned this in my Discord group. It tested the bottom at 44.8 because of support over here. This was previous. It also bounced here, and then it bounced right back above that line. It needs to hold this line and then push up maybe into the 60s if Doge is going to stay alive, which I think it will because we have Papa Musk pumping it every other day. He's also sent it to the moon, like literally. So that's that one. Chainlink, strong waterfall. This is actually, I'm going to actually buy this one right now because that's looking sauce. So here's a fun fact I want to tell you about crypto. If you want to find out which cryptos are the best, look for the ones with the biggest bottom wick on their candle. For example, look at Link. Look at this tail. That is the biggest bounce I've ever seen. That's a 12% bounce. Now let's look at Doge and see how in demand Doge is. Let's see. Here's our bounce. 5.6%. People like Doge, but it's not as much as a guarantee as Chainlink. Let's look at Ethereum. 7%. Now, Ethereum is much higher in price. Not going to have that big of a bounce, but strong bounce nonetheless. You might be thinking, well, I'm not going to buy Bitcoin. It's 58,000 when I can buy Doge for 50 cents. If Doge goes up 3% or Bitcoin goes up 3%, you're making 3%. It doesn't matter how much it costs. The price of it is irrelevant. If it goes up 3%, if it goes up 10%, you're making 10%. So don't be discouraged by the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin started this all. Bitcoin is the most mainstream, widely known coin there is. Bitcoin's going to be a beast. I personally think we're going to see Bitcoin to 70,000 this year. And I think it's going to happen sooner than you think. It's a spring right now. It's spring loaded. And we're about to release that little nut on the end. And once it gets to the last little thread, you know what's going to happen. It's going to skyrocket. Let's switch over to BSV. Satoshi Vision. I'm actually very happy with this one because I put a buy alert in on this one at 361 this morning, and now it's up to 393. That's a nice, modest 9% gain since I sent out the stock alert. If you want to join stock alerts, check out the link in the description. It also includes a Discord with the pro chat room, my portfolio, stock alerts, all this good stuff. If you don't want to pay for that, there's also free rooms if you want to talk to other Retire Young members. That is now open. I just opened that. So you can click that and enter into my Discord for free. Finally, it's free. But at the end of the day, Bitcoin is looking good, holding this level. So I'll continue to watch Bitcoin and trade Bitcoin. If you want to check out my portfolio, like I said, check out that link in the description for stock alerts, or click the link in the description for the free Discord access if you just want to jump in the room and chat with other people that are looking to retire young. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget, by hitting that button, it's going to do magical things like get you a little bit closer to retirement young.